We are going to the beach. It is gonna be fun. A whole long day of sand, water, sun. Don't forget your bathing suit.
I won't forget my bathing suit.
Don't forget the towels.
I won't forget the towels.
Don't forget the
I
sunscreen.
won't forget the sunscreen.
We are going to the beach. It is gonna be fun. A whole long day of sand, water, sun. Don't forget the beach ball.
I won't forget the beach ball.
Don't forget the pail and
I
shovel.
won't forget the pail and shovel.
Don't forget the sunglasses.
I won't forget the sunglasses.
We are going to the beach. It is gonna be fun. A whole long day of sand, water, sun. Don't forget a sun hat.
I won't forget a sun hat.
Don't forget a snorkel.
I won't forget a snorkel.
Don't forget your sandals.
I won't forget my sandals.
Don't forget cookies.
I won't forget cookies.
Don't forget potato
I won't
salad.
forget potato salad.
Don't forget the oyster
I
sauce.
won't forget the oyster sauce.
Don't forget
I won't
enchiladas.
forget enchiladas.
Don't forget the enchiladas extra
I
spicy.
won't forget the enchiladas extra
Don't
spicy.
forget the first aid kit.
Won't forget the first aid kit.
Don't forget the umbrella.
I won't forget the umbrella.
Don't forget Kevin.
I won't forget Kevin.
Don't forget Kevin's medicine.
I won't forget Kevin's medicine.
Don't forget the radio.
I won't forget the radio.
Don't forget inflatable turtle.
Won't forget inflatable turtle.
Don't forget
I
salamander.
won't forget salamander.
Don't forget the extra towels.
I already packed towels.
Please take the extra towels.
We don't need extra
I
towels.
really think you should take them.
That's it. You've been telling me not to forget all these things, and I've been packing and packing and packing everything. Look at all this stuff. This is too many things. We can't take it all. If you want me to take the extra towels, then something else will have to stay.
Oh. Sorry, salamander. We are going to the beach. It is gonna be fun. A whole long day of sand, water, sun.
Is that a tennis racket?
No.
I think it's a tennis racket.
Nope.
It really looks like a tennis racket.
It's a guitar. It's a guitar. It's a guitar.
Is that a broom?
Nope.
I think it's a broom.
No.
It really looks a lot like a broom.
It's a guitar. It's a guitar. It's a guitar that I'm playing.
Okay, now that's a fish.
It is not a fish.
No, you're definitely holding a fish.
I am not.
Well, definitely something is fishy.
No. It's a guitar. It's a rock guitar. Check out my rock moves. not.
It even has an eraser on one end. It's a pencil.
It's not a pencil.
It's for writing. It's a pencil.
Oh no. This is a tiny guitar.
Pencil. It's a pencil. Pencil, pencil, pencil. You're holding a pencil.
We are going to school. It's gonna be great. A whole day of learning, I just can't wait. Don't forget your
I
backpack.
won't forget my backpack.
Don't forget your lunch.
I won't forget my lunch.
Don't forget your water
I
bottle.
won't forget my water bottle.
We are going to school. It's gonna be great. A whole day of learning, I just can't wait. Don't forget your indoor shoes.
I won't forget my indoor shoes.
Don't forget your gym
I
shorts.
won't forget my gym shorts.
Don't forget your hat.
I won't forget my hat.
We are going to school. It's gonna be great. A whole day of learning, I just can't wait. Don't forget your pencil.
I already have pencils in my desk at school.
Don't forget a ruler.
Again, same, in desk.
Don't forget a permission
For
slip.
what? There are no school trips planned.
Don't forget extra pens.
I don't need extra pens.
Well, at least bring extra socks.
Also don't need extra socks.
What if Kevin spills his juice
That was
box?
last year. Kevin's not even in my class
Don't
anymore.
forget a giant dictionary.
What? That's way too big.
Don't forget your dancing shoes.
I'm already bringing 2 pairs of shoes.
Don't forget your golf
We
club.
don't even learn golf at school.
Don't forget your ukulele.
But I don't own a... Hey, where did you get
It's like a
that?
tiny guitar with just 4
I
strings.
know what a ukulele is. It's just that I
Maybe
don't...
you should start playing ukulele.
Not a priority in my life at the moment.
Don't forget hard-boiled eggs.
Why would I need hard-boiled eggs?
You can share them with your
That's
friends.
ridiculous. Nobody passes out eggs.
Eggs are an excellent source of protein.
That's it. You've been telling me to bring all this stuff, but I don't need almost any of it. All I really need for school is my lunch and a positive attitude about having new experiences and learning new things.
Oh, I see. Egg? We are going to school. It's gonna be great. A whole day of learning, I just can't wait. How do you spell one? How do you spell two?
TWO.
How do you spell three?
THREE.
How do you spell salamander?
SAL. Wait a minute.
Salamander's not a number,
I know.
but this is a song about numbers.
Well, I know, but it's also a song about spelling. What's wrong with salamanders?
Nothing, but it's a numbers song.
Well, I think you're hurting its feelings. Poor salamander. Anyway, let's get back to it. How do you spell four?
FOUR.
How do you spell five?
FIVE.
How do you spell six?
SIX.
How do you spell salamander?
You have to stop doing that.
But it's so fun.
I don't think so. Can we please be serious?
So how do you spell 7?
SEVEN.
How do you spell 8?
EIGHT.
And how do you spell 9?
NINE.
How do you spell 10?
TEN.
How do you spell salamander?
That's it! We are trying to sing a spelling the number song, and you keep talking about salamanders. A salamander is not a number. It's an amphibian. Amphibian. If you want to sing a song about salamanders, then well, why don't you make your own song and sing it about salamanders?
Oh, okay. Good idea. Salamander is not a number. It's an amphibian. It's an amphibian. Salamander is not a number. It's an amphibian. It's an amphibian.